Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everybody's doing great out there today. If you're new here, please hit subscribe below, turn it gray, that would really help me out. Set the bell to all, that way you'll be notified of all my uploads. Today I have this cool set sent to me by Modelones, and I'll have the link below if you'd like to purchase it. It is Morandi's Village. It comes in this gorgeous black and gold box. They're all 10 milliliter bottles, and this is how it comes. They always include their little helpful hints and how to contact them if you're having any trouble. And today I'm gonna swatch them out real quick so I can put them in my gel color card, and then I'm gonna just try to do a nail art with them. This is my first time seeing them outside of a video. So first up we have House. Next up we have Roof. Well, I know one lady out there that one of my giveaways was looking for a color like this. I'm going to just put a few drops down, figure out what I'm going to do as I go along. Decided I'm just going to hand paint something today, I don't know what. Next up is Cabin. Look at that mustard yellow. This is actually what the lady was really wanting, a mustard yellow. Can't remember who her name was. I believe she won my 1K giveaway. One of the ladies that won my 1K giveaway wanted a mustard yellow. Well, here you go. Perfect mustardy yellow. Next up is Forest. It's a green with some blue in it. Like a gray, green, blue, like army green? I'm not sure. What would you guys call this color? We'll get some of that out too. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do, but I want to practice some hand painting, nothing fancy, just a little something. Then we have Lush Fields. Let's see what color this is. Ooh, it's another green. You could get some camouflage looks out of this. Then we have Leaf. Look at that, it's a lighter green. The last one in the 7-piece collection is Light. Oh, it's a light green. I'm gonna give them all a nice cure in my lamp. Okay, these are all the colors. I only put one coat on and their top coat. We have Light, Leaf, Lush Fields, Forest, Cabin, Roof, and House. I'm going to get these together on a little palette and just try to come up with some kind of artwork with these colors. Okay, I have a little bit of each color just sitting out here. I'm not sure which I'm going to use. I have a fine brush and I have a dotting tool. I think that's all I'm going to use. I'm not sure. I know I want to do some grass and maybe some wildflower kind of look. So fingers crossed everybody that I can do this. Figured I would try it out on this white nail first. I'm going to give this a cure before I mess up my design. Okay, I figured I'm going to do some dots of some sort. Try to make like a little wildflower scene is what I'm thinking. So I did some of them bigger. I should have re-dipped my dotting tool into the color each time. And I'm going to switch it over and carefully, hopefully, hit the center with another color. Not too bad. I don't like that one, so I'm going to wipe that one off. Would have been prudent of me to go ahead and have cured it before. But he's just a little impatient today. I'm tempted to put just a couple of little dots. Wait, there's something else starting to bud down here. Just wanting a little more coverage at the tip, because if I was wearing this, I'd want some color at the tip of my nail. So just adding some more green in. That was just a cute, quick little design. I'm gonna have to give this a cure and a top coat, and I'll take some pictures and put it at the end of the video for you and show you what this set looks like on Modelones. I have a link below, as well as the discount code Nails of Interest to save you 10% on their website. Hope you take advantage of that. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me.